Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I make my Hausa cocoa, that is millet porridge. It's a spicy porridge that we use millet to make. So guys, okay, I'm going to show you the ingredients that I'll be using for this recipe. So I have here one habanero pepper, I have here some ginger, it is frozen, I froze it, and I have here 1 tablespoon, that's to keep quiet, and I have here 1 tablespoon of cloves. I have here a tablespoon of Selim grains. I have here one habanero pepper, and this is my millet powder. So guys, this is a raw millet powder. So what I'm going to do right now is that this one, it's about let's see, it's 16 ounce, about 456 grams. So I'm going to toss everything, the millet powder, I will just use a strainer to strain it about 1 or 2 times. Then I'll cover it in a container and let it sit on my countertop for 2 to 3 days for it to ferment before we use it for this recipe. So guys, you can keep it there for at least 2 days or 3 days, but I normally prefer to keep it for 3 days to get a better result. So let's get into this recipe. So guys, I got this from my local African market. So guys, after 2 days, this is how our millet mixture is looking like. You see there's water on top, and you see it settled down. So guys, what I'm going to do now is that I'm not going to use all this water. Sometimes if you use everything, it makes it sour. So I'm just going to pour the water, and then divide the water into two, and use half of this water to mix the dough, the one that is settled, to mix it, and then we make our Hausa cocoa. Meanwhile, I have water on fire and it's boiling. So let's get into this. I've poured part of the mixture, our dough. So I have water on fire now and it's boiling. So I'm just going to turn off the heat under the water, and then I'll just pour this one right in, and then you stir as you pour it in. So I'm just going to turn off the heat and then add in the millet mixture to it, and then I'll stir it. So guys, this is it. Cocoa is all ready. So this is it guys, this is my millet cocoa, that is Hausa cocoa. This is how I make my Hausa cocoa. So guys, you can eat this with bread, cookie, chips, pie, meat pie, akara, kose. So guys, this is it. So my Hausa cocoa is all done. This is how I make it, and today I'm eating it with some kose sandwich. So guys, I have the kose recipe on my channel, so you can check it out. So this is how I make my Hausa cocoa and kose sandwich. Guys, if you haven't tried kose sandwich before, guys, try it. So I have in here some kose, that is some akara, and then some tomatoes and some spinach in there. Guys, you can add lettuce if you want. Onions, you can add onions to it, cucumber, anything guys, it goes really well with it. And guys, it's very nice and tastes really good. So guys, see this. So this is what I'm eating today. So guys, see. So if you love this video, please subscribe to my channel for future uploads. See you beautiful people. Bye bye guys.